Hi guys, what's up, wagwan. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican fish tea. Whether fish tea or fish soup, what you call it, or fish sip. Yeah, so I have some Irish here. I have my springtime. I have a huge turnip, and I have a lot of okra. As you can see right here, it's a lot of okra. The thing is with this dish, guys, it need a lot of okra. It's all about the sliminess of the soup. And I have my scotch bonnet pepper, my big boy. And this is cocoa. I'm putting in a cocoa in there. And a carrot. A carrot. Alrighty. And this is the fish. My fish is in my pot already, and it's Dr. Fish. This is a fish tea that Jamaican man love. Them love Dr. Fish tea. Yeah, I don't know where them love about Dr. Fish so, but trust me. And to tell you the truth, Dr. Fish is one of my favorite fish, Yeah, because it have that oiliness about it. Yeah, it have that oil that your body should get. Doctor recommended that you either take the fish oil or you eat certain fish that have that oil for your body. So yeah man, make we get down into business right now, no? So we'll set on them here with some water. So we're just going to cover and bring to a boil before we start adding our food to our pot. Yeah? So our pot is boiling. So I'm just going to just use a spoon to just crush the Dr. Fish so that it can flavor the pot. So that's the first thing you want to do, guys. You want to put your fish in the water first thing first so that it can flavor the water, so that is it. So we're going to go ahead now and put in our food. We're going to add our food to the pot. Alright guys, so I normally wash my food sometime before I peel it. So I'm washing the Irish and the turnip. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and wash my okra. Alrighty. This turnip is so big. Don't peel it too deep, guys. A matter of fact, when you're peeling your food, do not peel them too deep. So I'm just going to dice up my turnip. When you're making fish tea, guys, you cut your food small. So this is it. This is how I cut them. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. Peeling my Irish. Dicing my Irish as well. cocoa. I never used to like this growing up, you know, guys. My mother used to cook it. Yeah, never used to like it at all. Now I love cocoa. Just dice my cocoa as well. And put all of these food in the pot, so come along. Alright, so I'm going to just add all of this nice lovely Jamaican food that I just peel and dice and wash into my fish tea. Alright, looking lovely as well. Thing is it about fish tea too, guys, it's not supposed to thick, you know. Fish sip, and it's not supposed to have a lot of food either, but you can make it to your likings. You can adjust and you can take off. Remember, you're making it for your likings. Alright, so I have some okra over here. I'm going to just deal with that and add it to the pot. And I'm not putting all the okra in the pot one time, guys. I'm using some now to get the water, just to get the water slimy, because that is what fish tea is all about. The sliminess, that niceness, that authenticness. You have to have okra when making a fish tea. And I don't know what is it about Dr. Fish. Men love Dr. Fish bad. Alright, so we're going to toss it in the pot. Come along. Thing is it with fish tea, guys, you can put all your food in at once. Once you put in your fish and the pot boil and soften your fish, you can just go ahead and add your food that you choose to put in it. Feel free to add on, feel free to take off. Alrighty. And we're also going to just we are just going to add our okra and carrot to the pot. And because we want to get that sliminess, we add some of the okra now and the rest later. So I'm just going to leave this to, I'm going to cover and leave to cook. Checking in with our fish tea. And we are just going to go ahead and add the remainder of our okra. To the pot. So that's the remainder of our okra. So we are also adding in our Scotch bonnet pepper and our scallion. So I'm adding in, you notice I add 2 Scotch bonnet pepper to the pot. The yellow one I burst and the green one I did not burst it, because I want the fish tea to have that little flavor, that little spiciness. Not much spice, but a bit of a spice. I want the fish tea to have a bit of a spice. Adding my springtime to the pot as well. And we are also going to add some pimento berries. We're just going to give that a good mix, a good stir to combine. So there are pieces of fish in the fish tea, guys. That is what I love about this fish tea. So every sip you sip, you're supposed to be tasting a piece of fish and a lot of okra. So I am adding a chicken noodle to the pot. So what I did, I mix it out in a little water before. Some of the time when you just go ahead and pour the chicken noodle in the pot like that, it lumps up. All of it does not dissolve out in the pot. So sometimes what I do, I just mix it out in a little water. So I'm going over to the pot to add this now. So come along, guys. So here we are. And I am adding my chicken noodles. Giving that a good stir to combine as well. So you see that slime in this, guys? Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add a little salt to my pot. Be mindful of the amount of salt you add because the noodle has salt in it. So be mindful of the amount of salt. Then again, you don't have to add any salt if you don't want to. So this is it, guys, and to top things off, I'm going to just add 2 Dr. Fish on top. Alrighty, and that's optional, right? Checking in on my fish tea. So my fish tea is finished now, guys. I'm just going to plate this for you all to see. So let me dive up some of it, let you see what is happening. So this is it.